Welcome back to another episode of Just Vanning It, guys. If you're enjoying the content, hit the like and subscribe button below, drop any comments, ask us any questions. We're going to do a Q&A in a few weeks, so any questions you want, drop them in, let us know how we're doing, where we can improve. In this vlog, we're heading to Darwin. We got jumping crocs, we got sunsets, we got markets, we get ute serviced. We're there for a few days. So let's jump in the ute and let's head to Darwin. Yes! So here we are, guys. Discovery Park, see Darwin. 241 bucks for, I want it 7 nights. So just picking our stuff up from the letterbox. You got it?
I love the first one system. So COVID safe, pay in advance and you get a text message with the code to the safe and all your check-in details are there. Just done.
Wow, what side are we at? Let's have a little look.
Site 50.
We're at site 50, guys, so
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get set up. So here we are, guys. Site 50, the Discovery Park in Darwin. Just a simple setup for 7 days. Use this as a base camp to explore Darwin. So it's pretty warm up here, so we jump in the ute, take Sophie to the dog park and take her for a bit of a bath, and then run a few errands in town, and then hopefully go to the markets tonight to witness these beautiful sunsets up the NT. So let's jump in the ute. So you guys, here we are, Milo Lagoon Pet Park for Sophie. Take her for a little walk. Let her stretch her legs. She's been cooped up in the caravan for a bit over the last few weeks, so time to spoil her a little bit. And yeah, look at the park, guys. It's pretty cool. You just got to make sure you got your doggy bags and all that with you. So let's go in and let Sophie have a play. Alright guys, so Sophie had a nice little play in the park, and how good is that park? It's got a lagoon that the dogs can swim in. It's drinking water for the dogs. There's barbecue areas. And
it's got an agility course as well.
Yeah, so although Sophie's not...
No, Sophie's no good at agility.
That part of the park. But anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to take her for now for a nice wash, a dog wash. I'm sure we'll find one on the way back to the park. And then, yeah, just run a few errands this afternoon and then off to the
Mindil markets.
The Mindil markets for sunset and a little bit of a feed, maybe a couple of beers, and meet 2 thirsty travellers there. So guys, we've run our errands today and it is now 10 to 5 and we've just arrived at the Mindil markets for sunset, something to eat, a few beers. We're just going to grab the chairs and head over. We're meeting 2 thirsty travellers as well, and I'm sure there'll be loads of people watching the sunset that we might bump into or meet. So let's grab the chairs and let's start walking. So guys, set up on the beach, met up with the 2 thirsty travellers and Sarah's cousin, Carla's cousin Sarah. We're up on the beach. Where are we? Fanny Bay, they call it. Look at that. So we're just gonna take a walk through the markets and grab a feed, come back, sit down and just relax and enjoy the sunset. So we're done Having something to eat? What did you have?
I had your leftover calamari
Yeah,
and
we
a
had
veggie samosa.
some curried samosas, some calamari. Food is just... Now, we're witnessing a bloody fantastic sunset, so we'll sit back and just enjoy it. Well guys, that was absolutely incredible. The sun has now disappeared. How many people on the beach on a Sunday afternoon? I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, that's it for sunset in Darwin. Alright guys, welcome back. It's Friday, so we spent the week running some errands and stuff, and after last week's Sunday's sunset at Mindil markets, I did a bit of research and I come up with a bang of a plan to surprise Sue on a Friday because she works so hard. I have booked us a cruise on a catamaran with supper and drinks out into the Darwin Bay to watch sunset. So I've told her that we're going out for dinner, but she doesn't know where, and she's busy getting dressed, so we're going to Uber it down. I told her we need to be down at the waterfront sort of by 4:30, grab a beer, and then I will let her know that we're going on a bloody cruise for dinner and a sunset. So we have an action-packed weekend for you guys as well. We've got a few things planned for tomorrow. Sunday we've got some more planned, so it's going to be action-packed. So let me get ready as well. So here we are guys. We're having dinner here tonight at the wharf. What do you think?
It's beautiful. It's right on the water.
Look at this guys. Let me just bring the camera around and give you a little view.
Right on the water. Seagulls coming
Look at
past.
Yeah.
Nice ice cold beer.
Yes, eh?
Nice fish and chips.
How good would it be to go out on a boat cruise and have dinner and watch a sunset?
Oh my god, that would be beautiful.
Well, I got a surprise for you tonight. Let's drink up. I got a boat organised for us to have dinner, and I
Oh, far out.
promise you.
Oh no way, seriously? You're kidding?
3-hour cruise,
What?
dinner, wine on a catamaran out to watch a sunset.
You're kidding?
I'm not.
Oh my god, Hercules.
Just half bar. Woo!
That is
So-
awesome.
That's what we're doing tonight, guys. And we're about 10 minutes from getting to the catamaran, so we're going to drink up this beer and sort of head over. So guys, we're on the Sundancer. Got our first little bit of champagne, and can't wait to see the views. So cheers to the Friday.
Ching ching.
Have a look around.
Here, Marcus, there's another one.
Righto.
Away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
So right guys, that was the dinner cruise last night. The champagne flowed all night, and unfortunately we couldn't record on the boat due to the music on the boat with YouTube. You can't do that, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of footage we could get of it, and I would suggest doing something like that when you're up in Darwin with the sunset. So I'll drop a link in below on the one we did. It was $260 for the two of us. That included the food and the constant flow of champagne. But it's Saturday, new day. We said we've got an action-packed weekend. We're jumping in the ute. Apparently there's a lagoon with a wave pool here in Darwin. So with it being so hot, nothing else to do, let's jump in the ute and go for a swim.
You and I, jumping off the paradise. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000
So guys, here we are. The lagoon, what do they call it?
The wave pool.
The Wave Lagoon, I think it's called. $7 an adult for the day, I think.
At the
And-
Darwin waterfront.
Yeah, at the kiosk, and you can. They looks like they supply noodles and sort of floating devices. So I'll just have a little show you. Have a look at that.
Let's get in the water.
It's a bit busy, but yeah. Woo, let's go jump in.
It's another day, I'm back on my feet, so
Geez, how good was that? Swimming in the lagoon.
Fantastic. Floating in the
Fantastic.
tube was the best part.
Floating in the tube, the waves turn on and turn off parts of the day, so we managed to experience both of them. So just found the pub for lunchtime beer. Cheers.
I feel that I am the luckiest guy in the world. Yeah, I'm on my way to you. Yeah, I'm coming home. Driving in my Malibu, singing along with this song.
Right, good morning you legends. It's Sunday morning and we are here at our activity, the Jumping Croc at, which one is it?
The original Queen River jumping croc.
Guys, it was $70 for the two of us and it's for an hour, so we're at the 9 o'clock show. So we're just gonna go in and obviously get, talk through what we need to be scared of, and if I tell you what, I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't scared. So here we go.
All right. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. All right.
Wow guys, that was spectacular. What do you think?
That was $70 well spent. It was worth every cent.
Wow.
I probably would have paid double to see that. It was really incredible. One of the best things we've done.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that footage, and I hope we got enough footage to show how big these crocs can be. I think the biggest one was about 6 meters, so yeah, it was a bit scary when he comes out the water.
He was 6 meters. He was 70 years old,
It
and he
weighs
weighed
700 kilos or
700
something.
kilos. Correct.
So I forgot to mention, I'll drop the link in below on this tour that we did for you. So now what we do is head back, check on Sophie, and I'm not sure, I'm gonna look for a place to swim today, in a pool, not in a river, after what I've just seen.
Not
So
after that.
let's head back to the van. So guys, our trip to Darwin's come to an end. So we actually stayed an extra 7 days in Darwin to get some stuff done. And yeah, we're all just done a bit of groceries, repacked the back, new fridge, stand-up fridge for the van. Still got a little bit here to sort out, and another beautiful sunset here in Darwin. But yeah guys, if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button below, leave any comments. We're going to do that Q&A soon. So we're leaving tomorrow and we're heading out to Dundee Beach out west of Darwin, Wagate Beach. We got budget camping, free camping, some fishing, some 4x4 on the beach, some more sunsets. We meet up with the Two Thirsty Travellers again. But until then, you guys have a good week. See ya.